Starting with Vuex, we create a new store. Here, we define the initial state with a count property set to 0. We also set up a mutation named increment that will increase the count by 1 each time it's called. This setup will allow us to manage the application state in a centralized manner. In our main JavaScript file, we import Vue and our main app component. We also import the Vuex store we've just set up. Using Vue's createApp function, we start by creating our app instance. Next, we use the provide method on the app instance to make the Vuex store available to every component in our app. We key it as store for later reference. Finally, we mount our app to the DOM. Now, let's deep dive into a Vue component that utilizes our Vuex store. The component script starts with the inject option, where we specify store. This makes the Vuex store provided in the root instance accessible in this component. Then we create a computed property count that returns the current count value from our store's state. We also define a method increment count which commits the increment mutation to the Vuex store, effectively incrementing our state's count property. In the components template, we then make use of the computed property count by interpolating it within paragraph tags, displaying the current count. Below that, we have a button which, when clicked, triggers the increment count method. This setup provides a reactive data flow where clicking the button updates the state in the Vuex store, which in turn updates the displayed count in the component.